I'm Justin at Tool Experts, and this is the ProTac HL6 from Streamlight. Let's take a look at the Streamlight ProTac HL6. We'll do a little unboxing here. So first things first, we pull out the flashlight. We've got the big barrel on this thing. And the reason for that is 5,300 lumens for 2 hours. So we've got two batteries in here. They're the newer version of the Streamlight batteries, the SLB 48s on this. So you want to put a good charge on both of these. With these, you've got the plug-in on the side there, and the flashlight itself comes with a Y-type cord, which is in here. So you've got a Y cord there, regular USB into a USB-C, and you've got a lanyard that comes with it as well that you can put on the tail cap here. A little bit of a tight squeeze to get it in there, but you can get it no less. And then also in the box here, it comes with a Streamlight adapter, and you really want to use this because it's a really high quality adapter, so it's a lot better for your batteries long term. It will make your flashlight and the batteries go for much longer. The benefit of having these batteries is that you can store some extras. We have them for sale as well. When you're charging them, you've got a yellow and a green light. They'll be on the top. You can't see it there, but it will be there. And like I said, you can get more of these in order to have extras laying around. I have the older model of this one at home, and I've always got extra batteries just because you never know when you're going to need them. The big sales pitch on this thing is the 5,300 lumens for 2 hours. That is a very bright flashlight. It's, I believe, the brightest handheld that they have now, and 2 hours of runtime will get you able to do anything that you need. We've got, the head on this thing is an anti-roll. So it's got notches in it so that it'll sit in place when you get it right there. And you can set it down when you're working, be able to see everything. There's a high, medium, low, and a strobe on it, and you can do 10 tap on it. The medium is 1,500 lumens for 3 hours and 45 minutes, so it's still a huge light that'll cover most of your bases, and almost 4 hours of runtime on that too. So this is the ProTac HL6. Let's throw the battery back into it real quick. Tail cap back on. And I put a charge on these batteries earlier, so we are safe there. If I can get this cap on, there we go. And just like that. Now into the end of Halloween, you can get the ProTac HL6 for 10% off with the code below.